Hello wonderful people, welcome back to our videos. This is Biology Form 2. We are still looking at the chapter Excretion and Homeostasis. We've done quite a number of videos, and now in this video we're looking at economic importance of plant excretory products. Remember, we said most of the excretory products from plants have economic and commercial use. Some of them are very important, and here are some of which I would wish that we discuss in this lesson, from where they are deposited or where you can find them, all the way to the functions and how human beings use them in their daily life situations. We have tannins, we have caffeine, there is quinine, gum arabica, cocaine, cannabis, nicotine, Khat or malaria. We have rubber, colchicine, and papain. Have somewhere to write as we go through each and every excretory product. Tannins. Tannins are deposited in dead tissues of wood and barks of trees. That is where you can find it, and then it is used for leather treatment. What do we mean by saying leather treatment? For example, animal skin is converted into leather by this chemical. Remember, leather can be used to manufacture so many things, including shoes, so many products, leather products. So this chemical or this excretory product is going to be used in conversion of animal protein that is easily broken down to a complex and tough product that we call leather. So tannins are used for leather treatment. Number two, we have caffeine. Caffeine is found or is gotten from coffee berries / tea leaves. So those ones who like taking coffee and also tea will always have this chemical. It is used as a mild stimulant, and more so people use it to increase mental activity and of course reduce fatigue. Don't forget that it may have some form of addiction, but basically it is used as a mild stimulant. Quinine. Quinine is found from the barks of cinchona tree and also aloe leaves. Cinchona tree and aloe leaves. The function for quinine is for treatment of malaria. That is quinine. Number 4, we have cocaine. Cocaine is gotten from cocoa plant leaves. And of course it is used as a local anesthetic. It is used locally as an anesthetic. But remember, this is one of the drugs that people abuse, especially when you use it in large quantities. These are the things you are going to face. Number 1, you will face addiction. So when used in large quantities, it can't do without them. Number 2, you may get physical, mental defects, and most probably you may develop heart diseases or heart problems. Cocaine. Cannabis. Cannabis is stored in fruits, flowers, and leaves of Cannabis sativa, what people call bang, and it is used in the manufacture of drugs. For example, there is a drug we call tetrahydrocannabinol. Tetrahydrocannabinol is used as a pain reliever, and of course cannabidiol. Cannabidiol is used in treatment of epileptic or epilepsy. Treatment of epilepsy. Don't forget that tetrahydrocannabinol is used as a pain reliever. So cannabis sativa is used to manufacture such kind of drugs. Nicotine. This one is gotten from tobacco leaves. And remember that tobacco is used in the manufacture of cigarettes. So for the smokers of tobacco or smokers of cigarettes, nicotine is a chemical they cannot avoid. It is used in the manufacture of insecticides and also narcotic drugs. Insecticides are chemicals that are sprayed to control insects, especially in agribusiness. Narcotic drugs, these are pain relievers. So nicotine for two functions, manufacture of insecticides and also narcotic drugs, and gotten from tobacco. Rubber. Rubber is gotten from the latex of rubber plants. And it has two functions, commercial functions. Number one, in the manufacture of shoes. So it is used in shoe industry. Rubber. Then number two, there is a special type of rubber or special type of latex from a plant we call sapodilla plant or sapodilla tree that produces rubber that is used in manufacture of chewing gum. So shoe industry and also used in manufacture of chewing gum. Colchicine. This is an alkaloid and it has two uses majorly. It induces polyploidism, and of course also used in the treatment of cancer. Alkaloids mostly have nitrogen. Some of them are very strong, and for instance, in the first function or use that we've said about inducing polyploidism, we mean in agriculture, for example, we need to have plants yields increased or even animal yields, and also at some point make these organisms resistant to diseases. The importance of polyploidism. You learn that from 4 in genetics. And finally, don't forget that we've said the second function is treatment of cancer. Some of these alkaloids are used in the treatment of cancer. Papain. Papain is also an alkaloid just like colchicine, and it is gotten from the pawpaw fruit skin, the outer covering of the pawpaw fruit. It is used as a food tenderizer. That is to say, softening of some foods, for example, meat. So papain is used as a food tenderizer. Gum arabica is an exudate from acacia trees, and it has two functions here. We talk about in food processing. It is used as an emulsifier. In other words, those ingredients that don't blend easily are mixed properly or blended properly by this chemical. Number two, in the printing industry, it makes images during printing sharp and clean. So gum arabica in food processing and also printing industry. Khat. This is Khat or Mira. Scientifically, we can talk about that chemical as Catha edulis. That is where it is gotten from. And then it is used as a mild stimulant. Yeah, and of course, in medical purposes, manufacture of drugs. But one thing, there are medical risks from these Khats. Khat is also actually is medically studied for negative effects, and these negative effects are, for example, dental problems due to chewing, and of course mental health issues like anxiety or psychosis for overuse, and that is for those who have abused that drug for a very long time, and maybe high blood pressure, and of course heart strains. So this is one of the drugs that is being abused. Morphine, some people will say morphine. This is gotten from poppy plant, and basically it is used in the medical field in the manufacture of painkillers. So that is the function of morphine. Lastly, we have heroin, that is also extracted from morphine. It is used as a narcotic drug. That means in the medical field, we use it as a narcotic drug. Those are drugs that help in relieving pain. One more point is I would want you to note that most of these plant products or excretory products are oftenly misused in what we call drug abuse. And they should not be used without a doctor's prescription or approval. Otherwise, you'll suffer from the negative effects of these drugs. See you in the next video.